Macquarie Point, a beautiful spot to build something iconic, the missing link in Hobart's renewal and development. But something was lurking below the surface. So before charging ahead, we needed to peel back the layers and see what's underneath. Turns out there was a crazy mishmash of crusty old buried stuff. Aside from the mess of pipes, cables, train engines, broken glass and bits of machinery, there was also an abundance of nasty chemicals: ammonia, arsenic, asbestos, benzene, boron, cadmium, chromium, diesel, tar, zinc, naphthalene. Some of it was in decrepit old storage tanks and some just mixed in with the soil. So we've had to deal with it all really super duper carefully. And we know what you're wondering. How did all that industrial strength trash get there in the first place? Well, people have been building all kinds of things at Mac Point over the last couple of 100 years. A lot of it with the old-fashioned environmental regulation we call none at all. Mac Point's been an abattoir, a lumberyard, a tip, a rail yard, a cold store, a gasworks and a military base, all just built on top of each other over the years. And now we can't build anything else until we've cleaned up the place. It's a massive job and it'll take years. But guess what? Since 2015, we've been testing, digging, cleaning and carting it all away. And now we're nearly done. But because we have hundreds of years of accumulated industrial activity mixed in and buried all over the place, this work hasn't really been straightforward. We've taken almost 2,000 soil samples throughout the site, giving us an incredibly detailed, not-so-treasure map. We've carefully extracted the really nasty stuff, including roughly 7 million wheelbarrow loads of contaminated soil. We didn't really use wheelbarrows. We've removed the tangled mess of mangy old infrastructure, a fun task that's similar to getting chewing gum out of your mate's hair. We've sucked up over 2.3 million litres of contaminated groundwater, which is nearly enough to fill the Olympic pool at the Aquatic Centre. But don't worry, we didn't put it there, you can keep swimming. And finally, we're treating whatever's left to make sure the air you breathe and the ground that you walk on is safe. That's what we mean when we talk about remediation. It's a huge solution to a huge problem. And we're almost there, on the final stretch. And then we can get on with the exciting stuff.